Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Nextcloud OAuth for secure file sharing UI, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Nextcloud OAuth for a secure file sharing UI, start by setting up your Nextcloud instance. Make sure you have administrative access to your Nextcloud server. Open your web browser and navigate to your Nextcloud instance. Log in using your admin credentials. Once logged in, go to the Settings menu. Look for the security option in the left sidebar and click on it. Next, find and select the OAuth 2.0 section. Here, you will register a new OAuth client. Click on the Add New OAuth 2.0 Client button. Fill in the required fields such as the client name and redirect URI. Make sure the redirect URI matches the address that will handle the authentication in your application. After filling out the necessary information, click Save. This will generate a client ID and client secret for your new OAuth client. Keep this information secure, as you'll need it for your application. Now, move to your application code to implement the authentication flow. Use a library suitable for handling OAuth 2.0, such as OAuth 2 Client. Set up the OAuth client with the client ID and secret you received from Nextcloud. Specify the authorization endpoint and token endpoint for Nextcloud. Send a request to the authorization endpoint to start the OAuth flow. Redirect users to the Nextcloud login page. After the user logs in, they will be redirected back to your specified redirect URI with an authorization code. Capture the authorization code in your application. Now, exchange this authorization code for an access token by making a POST request to the token endpoint. Include the client ID, client secret, and authorization code in this request. If successful, you'll receive an access token. Use this access token in your application to make secure API calls to Nextcloud. You can now implement file sharing features using the API, ensuring user data remains secure. Test the entire flow to confirm everything is working correctly. Adjust and debug as necessary for a smooth user experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.